Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern travel poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open Layer panel, and create a solid color adjustment layer. Apply light gray color to it. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using Boba regular font. Adjust its size. Right-click and choose Convert to Shape. Select Direct Selection tool, and make a selection of these anchor points. And drag it downward. Then, go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and click on Place. Go to the Object Selection tool and make a rough selection of object. Then add a layer mask to it. For adding its shadow, press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Delete its layer mask. Make a selection of shadow. And press Ctrl+J. And delete image layer. Go to the Image menu, Adjustments, and then Desaturate. And change its blend mode to Multiply. Press Ctrl+L to open levels. Adjust its settings. Now select Color Adjustment layer, and create a rectangle shape. Apply text color to fill, and stroke to none. Select Direct Selection tool, click on this anchor point and hit Delete. Press Ctrl+J, and drag it at the top of text layer. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. And change its color to background color. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Follow my other text settings. Select rectangle layer, and create blank layer. Go to brush tool, select light color. And apply like this. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.